Mobility Vans Conversion Specialists. Are you looking for a new or used mobility van? We have the largest indoor showroom in New England. We have side ramps, rear ramps, and lifts. Mobility Vans Conversion Specialists. Come check us out. Centrally located in Hudson, New Hampshire for your convenience. Call 1-603-888-1207 or visit www.mobilityvansconversionspecialists.com. Family owned and operated for over 40 years. We pride ourselves in our compassionate, knowledgeable, helpful staff. Feeling overwhelmed? Not sure what you need or how to get started? No need to worry. We can customize your options to meet your needs. We are here for you. Some options available are hand controls, transfer seats, tie-downs, and securing scooter lifts and conversion vans. Mobility equals your freedom. Connect with the world around you. We offer you the best options tailored for you, for your family, your caregiver, or a disabled veteran. We offer a variety of financing, advanced service pays that service what we sell, veterans benefits, ability to convert vehicles. All mobility vans meet or exceed requirements and standards. Mobility Vans Conversion Specialists. Come and get your freedom today. 1-603-888-1207.